this problem, we're asked to find the range of the function y equals 19 over x when we have the domain restrictions of 0 to 10, where x can equal 10. If you look at our graph, we are given the entire first quadrant graph of y equals 19 over x. We need to keep in mind that x is only defined between 0 and 10. So what I'm going to do first is just mark on the graph the parts where our function is actually defined. And so I know that it can equal 10, but we can see right here that it's not ever going to be able to equal 0. So that means that our function is going to go off to infinity over here on the graph. So my range, all the y values starting from positive infinity are going to be included, and then the lowest y value is going to be right here where x is 10. Now we don't just want to estimate this point on the graph, we do want to use this equation over here and this known x value to find this y value. So what we can do to find this y value is plug in our x value. So I have y equals 19 over 10, and we get 1.9. Since this point right here is included, I'm going to use a square bracket for my range, starting with 1.9, which is the smallest y value. And like I stated previously, we can see that this function is just going to continue all the way up to positive infinity. And since we cannot equal infinity, we will use a rounded bracket. And that is the restricted range for this function under the restricted domain.